let us understand various causes of depreciation. Now the first cause is wear and tear due to usage or passage of time. It is and or passage of time. I mean, they can be both taking place simultaneously as well. So now wear and tear means when we use an asset, its value goes down. It is no longer a new asset. Second part is passage of time. That is, as and when the time passes, the model becomes older. There are new things available in the market. People prefer to buy new products. People have a preference for new items. So the value would actually go down. So this is called as depreciation. That is wear and tear or passage of time. Both lead to decrease in the value or expiration of value that is there in an asset. Second, and a very major cause is expiration of legal rights. Expiration of legal rights. Now, what do we understand by legal rights? There are various assets which have their value because of legal rights that are accompanied with those assets. For example, patents. You have invented a particular product. Now, the government has given you a patent for 10 years. That means there is a value in this patent that has to be used over a period of 10 years. As and when the time passes, this amount would be reduced because now let's say after 1 year the value can be used only for 9 years. So there is an indirect reduction in the value of assets. Mind it, it is basically for what we call as intangible assets, goodwill, patents, copyrights, which have a limited legal life. Then students, as discussed earlier, we have obsolescence. That is because of outdating of technology. Outdating of technology. Now students, as and when we use an asset, new technologies come into market because of which the value of the products using the old technologies go down. As the value goes down, it is referred to as depreciation. But this depreciation is on account of outdating of technology. Then last one being abnormal factors. There can be various abnormal factors like accidents, earthquakes, there can be natural disasters which actually lead to reduction in the value of fixed assets. So they are all covered under abnormal factors, that is natural disasters, accidents, etc. So in all we can say that the value of the assets decrease because of wear and tear or passage of time. It can decrease because of outdating of technology. It can decrease because of certain legal rights that are vested in are expired or they get expired over a period of time. And lastly, certain abnormal factors like accidents, natural factors, natural disasters can lead to reduction in value.